Hi, I'm Evan with Touchstone, and today we're going to show you an installation video on how to install our popular Sideline Series fireplace. It comes in a bunch of different sizes, starting at 36 inches. We have a 40, 45, 50, 60, 72, all the way up to a 100-inch. We also have it in a white frame and a steel frame here in a 50-inch. So for today's example, we're going to frame in a Sideline 60-inch that we have here. It's very well packaged and protected when it arrives, and it comes pretty much plug and play ready out of the box. So when it arrives, you'll just be cutting it open and taking it out of the box, and it'll be ready to install. Before starting your project, we recommend speaking with a licensed contractor before modifying anything on your wall to make sure it's not a load-bearing wall. Today we're going to install the Sideline 60 in our faux wall here in our showroom in Exton, Pennsylvania. We have a fake stone facade that we used here as an example, but you can use any type of tile or stone, and it's going to be perfectly safe to use with our fireplaces. Once you have your Sideline fireplace out of the box, you'll want to remove the two screws that are holding the front glass on. They're in either corner of the fireplace here. And once they're removed, you can simply just pick up on the glass and remove it from the frame. Now that we have the glass panel off of our fireplace, I just want to cover a few items. First off, the fireplace is hardwire ready or plug-in. Today we're just going to be plug it in. It's 110 volt. And it also comes with a wall mount bracket. So if you're not going to be recessing the fireplace, that's okay. You can just wall mount it to the exterior wall. We already have our framed in opening here. Before I install the fireplace, I just want to point out a few things. We ran our faux stone right up over the framed in area because this stone is very easy to drill through with wood screws. If you're using a tile or stone, you can stop it short of your studs so you can secure the wood screws right through, holding it from the flanges on the side of the fireplace. And another note here is that all of our Sideline fireplaces are 5 1/4 inches deep. So you can either fully recess it if you're using 2x6s. If you only have a 2x4 wall, that's okay. You can partially recess your fireplace. And they're also all the same height. So they're 20 1/4 inches high. We recommend framing in 20 1/2 inches so it slides into your opening. And the only thing that will be different are the variable widths, which we have a link below, and you can go to the specifications tab on each fireplace to get the dimensional drawing. Now that we're all framed in, we're ready to install the fireplace into our wall. Now we're just going to secure it with our wood screws into our studs. Now that we have our fireplace installed into our wall, we're going to install the media. The Sideline fireplaces come with two options, a log set and crystal media. First, for the log set, you just simply set it in place over the LED lights. Next is the crystal option. First, you want to keep in mind that you need the crystal strip, which you lay down over the LED lights first before piling in your crystal. And once you have that in place, the crystal just simply piles on the strip. Now that we have our media installed, we're going to keep the crystals in here. I want to install the glass panel that just simply clips back into place how it shipped. And keep in mind here, you don't even have to reinstall the screws. They're really just for shipping purposes. And to cover a few popular questions that we get almost on a daily basis, a lot of our customers like to mount a TV above the fireplace. We recommend 12 inches between the top of the fireplace and the bottom of the TV for the heat that comes out. Also, you can run the fireplace with just the LED lights on for the flame effect. You do not have to have the heat on. And another very nice feature is that there is a safety cutoff if the unit were to overheat. Thanks for watching today. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to give us a call. Our number is 800-215-1990.